In the heart of the countryside, the journey of premium hide and horn begins. The Grey Brahman breed is prized worldwide for its strong, durable hide. From pasture to factory, every step is built on care and precision. Each animal is carefully inspected to meet strict quality and safety standards. Modern technology ensures full traceability at every stage of the process.
Strict hygiene protocols protect both workers and product quality.
Advanced machinery streamlines every stage with speed and consistency. Every workstation plays a role in transforming raw material into premium product. Thorough cleaning prepares the hide for the next stage of transformation. The tanning process begins, turning raw hide into durable, lasting material. Precise temperature control ensures the hide's strength and texture. Each hide emerges softer, stronger, and ready for expert craftsmanship. Skilled hands examine every inch, ensuring flawless texture and grain. The signature white horns are shaped with the same level of care. Polishing brings out the natural elegance of every horn. A final protective finish locks in the leather's rich color and durability.
Every sheet undergoes a final inspection before approval.
The result? Premium hide and horn, ready for the world's finest craftsmen. Careful packaging protects every piece for its journey ahead. Advanced logistics ensure timely delivery to markets worldwide. From factory to destination, quality is preserved at every step. This is where premium hide becomes true craftsmanship. Every horn tells a story of nature's strength, refined by skill. From pasture to product, a legacy of quality in every hide and horn.